I'm Dr. Deborah Mangione of the Wisconsin Vein Center in MediSpa, and I'm going to answer a question that we get quite often here, and that is there anything that we can do for the little blood vessels that people see around their nose or on their cheeks? And the answer is yes, there are things we can do to actually get rid of those blood vessels so they're not visible at all any longer. There are a couple of different techniques that we use. One is called a diode laser, where we're using a special wavelength of laser that's attracted to the little blood vessel, and it's a little pinpoint laser that you barely feel at all. And we just trace out the little vessels, and usually they're gone with one treatment. Sometimes it takes a second treatment a few weeks later, but it's a really effective technique for getting rid of these tiny facial blood vessels. No scarring, no downtime, no one ever knows it's been done, except you'll see the difference. Other things that can be done include intense pulse light treatments. So for instance, if you have any discoloration in your skin, any sun damage, or you have rosacea, intense pulse light is really the treatment we would recommend for that. And that uses multispectrum light. And again, this is specifically aimed at what we call a chromophore, which is either pigment that's dark with discoloration, or the blood pigment, the red cells. So that when we use intense pulse light, we're also actually attacking those specific things, so that when that's completed, and usually that would be a series of 3 about a month apart, again, those blood vessels will be gone and your skin will have a much more even tone to it. So yes, there are things we can do for those little vessels that bother a lot of people, and it can be repeated anytime if those vessels come back from either excessive nose blowing or if you're straining and doing things that may cause those little blood vessels in the future, they can be retreated and we can get rid of them for you again.